Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a Tesla, NIO and XPeng comparison, and I'll also be giving you my price prediction. I know these stocks have been hit hard recently due to some news surrounding them, which I will go into, and yeah, I'll also be giving my price predictions, so you don't want to miss out on this one. And I'll also be telling you which stock is the best to buy now for the highest return. So yeah, please tune into this video. And before I continue, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence before putting your money into any stock I recommend. I do this for entertainment purpose only. So yeah, and also please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that noti bell for the latest buying opportunities. The last time we recommended JWN at $12, it has gone up 150% since then. We've also recommended TTCF, which has taken a rise since we recommended it. And for those who don't know, we've been going on about TTCF for a long time now, since it was at $16, it went up to $15, $14. We've been telling people to buy it, and it is about to go up. We can see it hit those 30. So do check out the recent videos on Tattoo Chef. And we've also recommended Tesla back at 311. As you can see now, it was almost up 100%. So yeah, let's get into this video. So the stock I want to begin with is Tesla, currently sitting at $610 on the dot, closing today. As you may know, Tesla is going to be added to the S&P 500 December 21st, and as you can see, it did take a run up. It did have some resistance at 600, broke that resistance, but there's been a slight dip. The whole market is being red for the past couple of days, and Tesla has been hit. So people are panicking. I feel like personally I'm gonna hold my shares with Tesla because I feel like the S&P 500 inclusion will be big. And for those who don't know, the S&P 500 is basically like an investment fund. It's like a investment vehicle, and they're gonna generate around 51 billion worth of new demand for shares in Tesla. And moving forward, ARK Invest have also given Tesla a 5 trillion market cap in the long term if they're able to bring out the full autonomous driving, and also improve their battery as they promised, and bring out the new car which they claim to be $25,000. I feel like this will help skyrocket their sales, and you don't want to wait for Tesla to run up before buying into it, because look at the companies right now like Apple, Amazon, which are already established. Those kind of companies do not have much growth since they've been established. So I feel like if you do want to get into Tesla now, find a good buying price during the week and get in. You don't want to miss out on these gains. And regarding the $25,000 vehicle, why is this perfect for Tesla? Because as you may know, in the EV space, Tesla has already established a name for themselves. So I feel like they won't even have to produce the best car in the market for them to sell these cars. As you may know, Apple phones are not the best in the market. However, due to the brand name, Apple can sell a product to you. They've got these new $500 headphones coming out, and although many people are against it right now due to the price, when it does come out, I feel like people will be on it just for the brand name itself. And also they've got the Cybertruck coming, which will be very big. It helps diversify their range in this car space. And also, if you didn't know, the Tesla 2021 Model 3 is equipped with 82 kilowatt hours battery pack, which is a more energy dense battery cell produced by Panasonic, which Tesla have partnered with. And this is all-wheel drive, and it has recorded a record range of 353 miles on a single charge, which is big. And Tesla also plan to build 52 new service centers in 2021, and you wouldn't build 52 new service centers in 2021 if you're not expecting big growth. So the big things coming for Tesla here, and I'll give my price prediction at the end of this video with the risk associated with Tesla with the other stocks. So moving on, I want to talk about NIO. NIO is currently sitting at $41.97 as we close the day, down 2.46% on the week. As I said, the whole market's been red this week, so that's not a surprise there. But with NIO, we do have an upcoming catalyst. We do have NIO Day, in around 3 weeks time. They've got the new sedan which they're revealing on NIO Day. They've got the MP2 platform reveal. They want to up their production to 7,000 units per month. They've also got the second generation power swap, and they want to break into international market entry. So I feel like this will be a big couple months coming up for NIO. Personally, I'm very bullish in NIO. I feel like they could go places. As you may know, the Chinese stocks have been spoken of getting delisted, but I'll get into that later, and I'll let you know if you should be worried whether NIO will be affected by this or not. But one thing that does excite me is the second gen power swap, and as you may know, with the customer service, NIO have been very, very good on that in terms of swapping people's batteries. If your battery fails on the road, they'll come to you and swap your battery. You could take your car to the service station. They'll happily swap your batteries very, very quickly. Very efficient customer service there. So I think that's how NIO will be keeping the customers as well. Customer service is really important in this day and age. You can't build a good brand on bad customer service, and you could also build a very good brand on good customer service. Regardless of how good your product is, bad customer service won't take you anywhere. So this is very, very good from NIO, and I like where they're going. I'm invested in them right now, and I'll be picking up shares on any dip. So last but not least is XPeng, currently sitting at $44.40. It's down 10% this week, and as you may know, XPeng has had a very, very, very big run up in the past month or so. And the things that make XPeng exciting is the autopilot system, which will feature in its 2021 models. So within the next year, we could see this autopilot feature in XPeng's models, and I feel like this will be big. It'll be a step into the future and a step in the right direction for XPeng in order to keep up with the NIOs and the Teslas, and I feel like this could only push their stock price up. And also have strong deliveries as well. After releasing the new sedan P7 from June to December, they have nearly reached 10k sales. I don't know if they reached it right now, they possibly could have, but I feel like 10k sales is around the correct region in how much they've sold so far, and I feel like this is a very, very big number to do it in the space of 6 months as well. For a company like XPeng, I feel like it will only get bigger from here. And they've also wanted to increase their manufacturing by 250% from 100,000 vehicles to 250,000 vehicles by 2022. And this in itself tells me that XPeng can only go up from here. 250% increase in vehicle production is massive, and I like where XPeng is going. I like the stock a lot, and they're also profitable in Q3 with a gross margin profit of 4.6%. And yeah, as I said, it's only due to increase from here. And I want to go into the price predictions now. So regarding Tesla, a year from now, Tesla, I could see it being an $800 to $1,000 stock. And yeah, I feel like this will be a bit generous for me, especially if they do perfect the autonomous driving. I feel like we could see the stock break this 1,000 cost base, but yeah, 800 is the minimum. I feel like it's the minimum we're gonna see. It could hit 1,200, 1,300, but only time will tell, and we'll just have to see how Tesla does perform this year. And regarding NIO, I could see NIO doubling to the 80s, possibly touching the hundreds, depending on the deliveries, depending on how NIO Day goes, but depending on how they also bring out their autonomous driving. If they're able to make progress into the international market industry too, I feel like NIO could double easily within the next year. And XPeng, I feel like would definitely double. What gives XPeng the edge over NIO is just the deliveries and the capacity. I feel like the 250,000 vehicles a year will be very big for XPeng. If they could get those deliveries out, that would generate a lot of revenue for XPeng, and I feel like this is really exciting. So the floor again for XPeng is $100 in a year's time. And in terms of risk, I feel like Tesla, as you may have figured, is the least riskiest investment out of the three. And why is this? Because Tesla is a US stock, and as you may know, there has been talks of delisting the Chinese stocks from the market, and this is where NIO and XPeng come in. So regarding NIO, they are already compliant with this. They sorted this out months ago. They said, okay, we're going to be compliant months before, in anticipation of something like this happening, so they didn't have to deal with any issues regarding it. And I feel like this is why I put NIO as a second least riskiest stock pick. The only reason it's not above Tesla is because people haven't read into this delisting, and they just assume it applies to all Chinese stocks. Only applies to Chinese stocks that are not compliant, and NIO are exempt from it. But as you may know, when this news was announced, NIO did take a hit, as people didn't read into it, and they didn't read between the lines to see that NIO were actually exempt. And the riskiest one, I believe, even though it's not that risky, I feel like it's still a safe bet. But out of the three, the riskiest one is XPeng, and that is mainly because they haven't replied it to this delisting of the Chinese stock. But I feel like they'll become compliant soon enough. They've got 3 years to do so, which is more than enough time. And I feel like it will hurt American investors if any of these stocks are delisted from the US market, and all the Chinese stocks as well, such as Alibaba, JD.com. I feel like they wouldn't want to delist these stocks, as it will hurt American investors a lot, and they will lose the American market trillions of dollars. So yeah, that is my take on all the three stocks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be loading up on any more dips, but please do leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, help us reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Hit that noti bell so you don't miss out on the latest buying opportunities. We do have some great buying opportunities for you. As of recently, we made a video on BFT, so go check that out. I feel like this one is going places. So watch that video to know why we think it is going places. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video.